So now I never even know how I'm gonna like start off my videos or anything.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, flowers.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is just like a, before the glow up. This is what I am serving. This is what I'm giving. This is what I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Flawless.
I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless.
How'd you wake up? Anyways, I'm gonna do a quick little glow up and get this little 4th of July weekend popping. Started. I'm gonna vlog a little bit, our day. Thanks for the toilet flush. I'm not gonna do full face. I'm gonna just do my everyday usual, like little makeup routine or whatever. I'm gonna show some parts. I'm gonna start with my brows first. This water's busting right now. Golly. I'm gonna have Megan these when I'm done. Okay? For real, for real. Alright, brows is secured. A little something simple. Now time for the eyeshadows. I don't know what look I'm gonna go for today. It's 4th of July, so maybe red, white, and blue or something like that. I don't know just yet. I'm gonna come back. Okay, this is honestly what I came up with. It does not look that good, but I feel like, in the mirror, like, giving off a little, Captain America. It looks kind of bad on camera. But, once we add the lashes, put some liner on, it'll come together. It will come together. Just wait on it. Just wait on it. Alright, so here's like the water in the back. That's Devin. He's in the shower now, but this is what it looks with like the eyeliner on. Eyeliner check. And these are the lashes we're gonna be rocking today. Okay guys, so this is what the final product ended up being looking like. Got my hair, got my red, white, but like kind of gold blue like makeup on. Got my necklace, got my earrings on. But I'm gonna get Devin to show my fit, of course, too, so you guys can see it. Ooh, hey, the wind blowing just in time, y'all. Okay, we just got inside my car, y'all. Let's just start this pupper up. But let me tell you guys what we're about to do. We are about to go to Buckeye Lake. My director, she had a boat. She got a boat. Her husband, they got a boat. And we about to go hang out with them for our 4th of July weekend. So let's turn up. We made it. So we made it. It's nice. Nice day. And film us eating Del Taco. That'll be the end of the video. I don't know about that. I've never even had Del Taco either, but look at my necklace. This is my hair. Even my hair in the bun is so cute. Little messy little bun action. But yeah, we're drinking our Trulies. Be sick of my phone fall, bro. But what's that for song? broccoli about that. There's a Grwm Reaper on this one. No thanks. We'll stick with mild.
Do they have a sweet?
Ooh, yeah, that's a good idea. No. She got this, but I don't know. Maybe I should try that. I kind of like it. Alright, guys, we got a side of mac and cheese and these barbecue pulled pork nachos. Yummy.
Asking me to work more.
Alright, what you get,
I
babe?
came here to enjoy the
Blue
best
Stripes and
of
mint
the
chocolate chip.
world.
And I
willing to
got
do
one
some
scoop
work
of cookies
to
and cream and a scoop of cookie dough. For $10. It's pretty big, too. You know that song? If you're not at the beach, where you at? You ain't at the beach, then where the fuck you at? Cause we out. And it's not recording. I've been saying it wasn't recording. Anyways, it is much later now. We are here to see fireworks. We're about to go walk down to the football field where everyone is like set up at. So I'm pretty excited because Loki was like salty yesterday because I didn't get to see any. A lot of fireworks was going on. And even looking out my window, I didn't see any. So I wanted to at least see some before the weekend was over. I'll show you guys once we get down there. Wow. Wow. Hey guys, so now we're done with the fireworks and our night is pretty much about to be over. We're just gonna go and get some to eat and I'm going to go home and take all this off. Overall, it's a pretty good day. I got like a bunch of clips and like the boat ride was fun, of course. Oh, shit. But yeah, I'll update you guys once we like get our food and then get settled and when we get home. Alright guys, we're back home. It is much later now. We got the goods. And it was a really long day, but it was pretty fun. This is how the makeup ended up looking like throughout the day. So it's pretty good, pretty lit. And yes, it was a lit 4th of July. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Please make sure to like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. I was like...
Thank you.
Thank you.